got no chimney, ain't got no tree, but this trailer parks a party every Christmas Eve. My neighbor Pearl shows up in her robe with her mama and a ham casserole. Blow up Santa in the front yard, bought him on clearance down at Walmart. The law's gonna get called, cause there's gonna be a crowd of crazy fools chugging booze and getting loud. Pinch a skull sipping on that Kentucky bourbon. Pass it on over here and let it get to working. Before the sun comes up, we'll be in a tree stand, oh, hunting Rudolph, Prancer, and Vixen. Raise some hell, crank that Hank on up. Merry freaking redneck Christmas. Uncle Ricky likes to run his mouth. That's why he just got fired from the Waffle House. And here comes Jesco, yeah, he's a weirdo, walking up and down the road in a Speedo. Mistletoe hanging around his neck, sucking on another Marlboro Red. The law's gonna get called, cause there's gonna be a crowd of crazy fools chugging booze and getting loud. Pinch a skull sipping on that Kentucky bourbon. Pass it on over here and let it get to working. Before the sun comes up, we'll be in a tree stand, oh, hunting Rudolph, Prancer, and Vixen. Raise some hell, crank that Hank on up. Merry freaking redneck Christmas. Sheriff Roscoe just rolled in with his red and blue Christmas lights a flashing. He ain't here to serve a warrant or slap no cuffs on anyone. He's here to party with us. The wrong gun got called, cause we got a big crowd of crazy fools chugging PBR and getting loud. Pinch your skull sipping on that Kentucky bourbon. Pass it on over here and let it get to working. Before the sun comes up, we'll be in a tree stand, oh, hunting Rudolph, Prancer, and Vixen. Racing hell, crank that Hank on up. Merry freaking redneck Christmas. What happened to the deviled eggs? Damn it, Jessica.